Saturday morning to early Tuesday morning. Impacts at 12.3 feet. Flooding begins on Auglaize and East Front Streets and in the rear of the building at Lieber Glass. Additional details at 9:16 a.m. Friday the stage was 8 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning to a crest of 11.5 feet early Sunday morning. It will then fall below flood stage early Monday morning. Flood stage is 10 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. When? From Saturday evening to early Monday afternoon. Impacts at 13 feet. Minor flooding begins in the northwest Ohio counties of Northwest Allen, Northeast Van Wert, and Southwest Putnam. Farmland nearest the Auglaize River will be affected by flood water. Additional details at 10:15 a.m. Friday the stage was 3.7 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tomorrow evening to a crest of 13.4 feet Sunday morning. It will then fall below flood stage early Sunday afternoon. Flood stage is 13 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Here is a flood watch for the lows in the lower 30s. Saturday west winds around 5 miles an hour. West. Sundays partly cloudy. Where highs in the lower 30s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Becoming southeast around 5 miles an hour in the afternoon. The river inundates Sunday night. Partly cloudy. Lows around 40. But Monday, partly cloudy. 12:30 p.m. Warmer was higher than Friday. The stage was 4.4 night. Partly cloudy forecast. But the river is expected to rise above flood stage lows tomorrow. 30 to 9.6 feet rain through the afternoon. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Flood stage early with highs in the upper 40s. Flood stage is 9 right. Partly cloudy. HTT lows in the upper 20s. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 40s. Flood. Wednesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming rainfall is expected, where a portion of west central Ohio, including the following counties: Auglaize, Dark, Mercer, and Shawnee. When? Until 11 p.m. Friday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Low water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Additional details at 4:55 p.m. Radar and rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to prolonged showers and now thunderstorms moving through the area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area.
The 1650 had to mess up the program formation. Come on.
Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible. Some locations that may experience flooding include Sydney, Salina, Wapakoneta, St. Mary's, Coldwater, New Bremen, Minster, Versailles,
That was a near
St. Henry, Newport, Cridersville, Enna, Fort Laramie, Jackson Center, Fort Recovery, Ansonia, Watkins, and Rockford. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur current vehicles. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. A very strong low pressure system will track through the area with be and continue off to the east overnight. High pressure will build in Saturday and persist through the weekend. Low pressure and a cold front will approach Monday and move through Monday night. This is no weather. All hazards. Radio station W. Flood warning in effect from this evening to late Saturday evening. Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Great Miami River at Sydney. At 11 feet, Custom River Field has some flooding of perimeter areas, along with flooding occurring in low spots on Miami River Road. Additional details, at 6:30 p.m. Friday the stage was 8.2 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 10.6 feet Saturday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Saturday afternoon. Flood stage is 10 feet.
Okay then.
Here is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect from Saturday evening to early Monday afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where?
Now you have to
Glades
do it
River
correctly.
near Fort Jennings. When? From Saturday evening to early Monday afternoon. Impacts. At 13 feet, minor flooding begins in the northwest Ohio counties of northwest Allen, northeast Van Wert, and southwest Putnam. Farmland nearest the Glades River will be affected by flood water. Additional details. At 10:15 a.m. Friday, the stage was 3.7 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tomorrow evening to a crest of 13.4 feet Sunday morning. It will then fall below flood stage
Oh, you
early
finally went
Sunday
off.
afternoon. Flood stage is 13 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Wind advisory in effect until 7 a.m. Saturday. For Hancock County. North winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour are expected. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. A lull in winds is expected this evening as low pressure tracks northeast across northwest Ohio. Northwest winds will quickly increase again behind the low pressure system later this evening and overnight.
What do you know?
Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Eagle Creek above Finley. Winds until tomorrow evening. Runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying flood-prone locations. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings.
I don't know how you false activated.
Standard time Friday the stage was 8.1 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 9.8 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage early tomorrow afternoon. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Additional details.
Right.
This morning to late tomorrow evening. Impacts at 12.0 feet. Flooding occurs in the land area south of the village of Leroux. Roads inundated include High Street, Road Prospect Road, and parts of Vine Street. Additional details. At 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday, the stage was 11.6 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this morning to a crest of 12.4 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow afternoon. Flood stage is 12.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
Come on. Just want to make sure. Alright.
Where Eagle Creek above Findlay. At 10 feet, water from the Eagle Creek will impact portions of South Blanchard Street, Brookside Drive, Fremont, and Graceland Streets. The intersections of Beachmont Drive of Fairmont and Rosemont Drive minor flooding is forecast. Additional details. Where PM Friday the stage was 8.1 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 9.8 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage early tomorrow afternoon. Flood stage is 9 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Here is a wind advisory for the following counties in Ohio: Auglaize, Harding, Logan, Mercer, and Shelby. Wind advisory remains in effect until 4 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Ohio: Auglaize, Harding, Logan, Mercer, and Shelby. Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour expected. Winds will become northwest overnight. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Wind advisory now in effect until 9 a.m. Saturday. For Wyandotte, Marion, Morrow, and Knox counties.
God dang it, Recom.
20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to 45 miles an hour. Becoming northwest with gusts to 50 miles an hour after 1 a.m. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down.
Hey, finally. Okay. Well, guess what? Hey guys, guess what?
Hey, that's illegal.
Anyways, I just had a perfect activation. A spiral.
Someone's just playing the Nintendo Wii.
Spiral.
Oh yeah, I'm playing the Nintendo Wii.
Spiral strikes.
Oh, are you gonna do it?
Insert Windows Vista.
Insert Windows Vista sounds weird.
I swear to.
Anyways, guess what? Anyways, guess what?
Insert cash and select payment type.
Insert cash or select payment type. But anyways, now as I was gonna say, for the literal first time in forever, I had a perfect activation on all my radios. About time. Excluding foreign channel radios. And the obvious recom, and obviously the B recom, being the B recom. B! Anyways, bye.
Minor flooding is forecast. Where Blanchard River is underwater. It's 53 feet. Flooding occurs mainly in South Ottawa. Flood water also hits some low farmlands. Additional details. At 9:30 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 22.7 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight to a crest of 23.6 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Monday morning. Flood stage is 23 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Never drive vehicles through flooded areas. The water may be too deep to allow safe passage. Never allow children to play in or near flood waters. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or local media for further statements and updated forecasts. Detailed river forecasts and additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/IWX under rivers and lakes. The statement will be updated within the next 12 to 24 hours. Flood warning remains in effect until early Tuesday morning. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Where? On the river near Defiance. At 12.3 feet, flooding begins on Aubrey's and East Front streets and in the rear